Now let's try to see how we can minimize friction, because we saw how it's useful and how it's not useful also, right? Okay, now see, there are a number of ways of reducing friction. One of the ways would be polishing the surface. Okay, now see, best example is your watch. Okay, your analog watches. See, between the hour hand and the minute hand, what they do is they polish the surface so that it reduces friction. See, if there is friction in those minute hand and second hand or the hour hand, whatever it is, see, it is constantly moving, correct? Constantly there is motion of objects. So wear and tear will happen again and again. You have to change those things. See, it's kind of it's a discomfort. That's the reason what they do. They polish the surface so that friction is minimum. Okay. So one of the ways is polishing. Another way is lubrication. Okay, lubrication. See, I think all of you must have seen whenever you have any friction in the chain, cycle chain or bike chain or whatever it is, they put oil. Right, oil reduces friction because of lubrication. Okay, so lubrication is, you must have seen a lot of advertisements also, right? So this Castrol or all these things, what they say, they'll put oil on that. You would have seen, right? That piston comes, the oil comes and just it covers the whole piston, and it says it reduces friction and all these things. So lubrication is one of the way. Okay, one more way is we can use ball bearings whenever we have rolling friction. Okay, see, for example, this toy car. Have you guys seen a toy car, right? So these toy cars, see, what happens is between those wheels, whatever we have, in between they use ball bearings. Okay, because see, ball bearings, within that ball bearings and the surface, the point of contact is very small. Correct? It's very small. So because of that, what happens is, see, rolling friction depends on what? Basically the point of contact, correct? So since that is very small, friction is very small. So as friction is small, easy movement of particles will happen. Okay, that's the reason we use these ball bearings whenever we have rolling friction or things which are rolling. Understood?